You're live.
I'm live now.
And
All right.
live with Jimmy
I
Fallon.
forgot what you do there. What does that mean?
I love Jimmy Fallon.
Actually, it's coworker, right, Andrew? We're actually coworkers with Jimmy Fallon.
So there's only one. There's only one place.
Right. Coworkers with Jimmy Fallon.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, actually, no, you hear it too. I don't understand it. It's because it's right. It's negative 1 and plus the next one. No, you're right. 0. So 0 times 0. No, it's always. Wouldn't it be always? Because this is 0 times.
All right. So
0.
all right, good. All right. So I'm gonna talk about one thing only. Today we're just only gonna introduce you one formula, and this is the area. So
Can you show the notes?
yeah. Can you tell? Jeez, you cannot read behind the screen.
Try harder next time.
Yeah. Squeaking your eye. Maybe you can see it. But...
Mr. Gay's natural subtitles. See the reflection in his glasses.
Not from Buffalo.
All right. So area of polar region. We're gonna just learning how to work with operating with a calculator. So the formula is very, very easy. Now, first of all, understand how it's a form. So, for example, if I have let's say the polar is between 0 to, I don't know, some type of graph, let's say it's 0 to whatever, it's one paddle right here, like this. Let's say between 0 to pi over 2, I end up to get this graph. Now, the way they calculate the graph is the area of the region is going start from pole and going like this. Hold on a second. It going like, depending on what angle you choose, right? It's gonna be start adding like this. Depends on what, like if you pay. No, that's how they calculate the area. It's start from the pole to that edge of the curve. Depends on which point that you go into, and eventually you'll find out the one paddle. But it start from the pole. So each angle is changing. They just add up all the angle is changing. So let's say if you're changing from 0 to pi over 2 in this situation, they basically go all the way 0 to pi over 2 or whatever in this situation. So those are things that you have to understand. How do they accumulate the curves? It's based on the data, the small change in data. So area is equal to 1/2 integration between A to B is two different data of f of data squared d data. Well, also known that f data of d data is A to B of the r squared. What is r? R is the function. R equal to sine theta, and that's going to be like this. Okay.
Whoa. Did that say f of theta?
Yeah, f of theta is r. Now remember you installed r theta in there in the function. So that in this case is theta. F of theta is equal to r.
Okay.
So here's the thing. I want you to using calculator, and tomorrow we're gonna use non-calculator. We're actually gonna derive it. Today we want to see if you know how to use calculator. Use r equal to 3 cosine of 3 theta, and if you graph this, so let's see if you can graph on your graphing calculator. If you have TI-84, you have to go to mode, and you have to change it to polar. And if you have Inspire, then ask Xavier.
I'll just go on the stream and start explaining it.
All right, you can.
You know, I used an 84 for this class last year, but honestly, I feel like I'm more comfortable with the Inspired for the stats now. You know what I mean?
I actually like 84 better still.
Inspire is like easier to use too.
No, I think 84 is better. But
Okay. So basically, you're gonna go to. Hold on. Actually, let me revert it to original settings. So you know how to start it.
and I'm gonna try to do it here too. So,
So
I'm
you want
gonna
like you gotta do it too.
I'm gonna try. So Xavier probably need help though.
Honestly, I didn't even look at a video for it. I just like messed around.
Yeah.
You inspire
Cool trip. I have an Inspire.
Oh, you inspire.
You have an 84? Okay.
What do I know?
Oh, Will, you use 84? I thought Will uses Inspire. Yeah. You're cheating on me with the 84.
So I think I go to menu, right? Wait, how do I graph again?
Okay. So go to press tab.
Huh?
Oh, are you at the graph right now?
I
Press
can.
home.
I can go to here.
Top right. Yeah, now you're there. Yeah.
Like all the
It's very intuitive to use.
Like I just found it in like 30 seconds.
Exactly. So did I. No, don't press that. Where are you pressing menu? Go back.
Alright.
Escape. Okay.
Why are you doing this?
Okay. Stay there.
I just need that.
Alright.
Now press tab.
Tab.
Yeah.
I mean, the reading was horrible.
Wait, why is it not working? Press tab. Oh, sorry. I meant control menu.
Control.
Menu.
Menu.
Enter. Like
Graph
that-
entry.
That one. Now go to polar.
Folder.
There we go. That's
Okay.
it.
R1.
So
Okay.
then you would type in 3 cosine of 3 theta.
3
Yeah. Then
cosine
yeah, it's next to the yeah. There we go.
of 3. How do I get data here?
Theta. You go to the on the bottom left. There's something that looks like pi. Click that. Theta is right there. There we
Okay.
go.
Press-
And you see how it shows? No, but just press enter.
First press enter.
Yeah.
Okay, so I wanna go to. Wait, how do I go to that function again?
What are you doing?
Tab, right? But I just want to graph from.
No,
Three-
no. This is another equation. You gotta press up.
No. I want to just graph between 0 to 3.14, which is pi.
No.
So,
I know that, Machia, but you're not at the function that you graphed right now.
okay,
You're-
sorry.
You're on-
Just
you're on
press up.
R2.
Press the up button. Up.
Yo.
There we
Okay.
go.
So I'm gonna go to here. Wait, can I do that? This or no? Oh yeah,
Yeah.
I can.
Yeah, you can.
Let's just say pi here,
Okay.
and that would give you like same thing. Whoa, what just happened? Oh, 3.14, and that just
Yeah,
give
yeah,
you like
it's-
1.68. So they give you half of the graph, right? Okay. Now the thing is, can you find out the area of one paddle? So your challenge is to find out area of one paddle.
No, because this is open right now, and the area is infinity right now. Is it?
No, it's actually 1.5 paddle. Area is gonna be here, 1.5 paddle here.
Oh, it's bounded by the attributes.
I don't know. It feels like it'd be.
It's 1.5 paddle.
See, I know how to find the area of the paddle that's on the right side, but I don't know what you would do with the one that's like that. Although
They still go. They rotate from there, so they will accumulate area to there.
What did you put it to? 1.68?
No. You can put any one you want. So let's go back here. Let's go to here. And then let's just say, hey, I'm gonna change to pi. If I were to change it to pi, I'm gonna here pi like this, right?
Yeah.
And now I press enter, they will go to 3 paddle, right?
Yeah.
So what if I just want to find one paddle's area? What's the best way to do this?
Well, to pi over 3.
What?
Pi over 3.
you can find the area.
The integral from 0 to pi over 3.
I think Zach's got a valid point.
Divide it by 3. Just find the area of it all and divide it by 3. Is that valid?
That's way better. Okay.
You can do that, yeah. But do you know how to find the area of 3 paddles now?
No, that was where my problem. I knew my one. Well, what do you do?
What? You would just do it from 0 to pi.
What value? There's no
area. Not volume.
Oh.
So we're doing 0 to pi, right? Yeah.
The integral button.
And then,
and you do 0 pi.
and then you would have parentheses. Sorry, the integral from sorry, 1/2 the integral from 0 to pi, parentheses 3 cosine of 3 theta, close parentheses squared d theta.
And then time divided by 3.
Are the pedals different sizes?
Oh, I thought you asked for the full thing.
No, I wanted just one pedal.
Oh, okay. Find
And then by looking for
area of one pedal. Hold on.
Don't forget you can control C in this.
Never
And don't forget you can also press bar.
What does that do?
It gives you the function so you don't have to
Yeah, a
recalculate.
little bit.
This isn't only the calculator. If you press bar, it'll give you
I got a little 68 on mine. Got that.
Try harder. No, I'm just kidding.
The points are inflated so much in
In stats.
knowing Go. Like 1,000,000 points.
Oh yeah, for sure. And then at the end, she's like, "Okay, guys, I know the points are so here's a big block. Here's a big like key exam, also with FRQs.
Like 190 points.
How many FRQs did you get?
I messed it up.
They used to grind up.
Yeah.
You know, an hour for like a semester quarter. Yeah, that's pretty.
Yeah. Oh, you were first semester. You were first semester.
Second semester.
We didn't have it for like.
We had to eat the eagle. We had to eat.
Is he tougher now?
I heard.
Yeah, that's good.
We said really basically group tested.
Really?
Yes.
Shh. Hey, can you guys figure out how to do it, please?
Oh, sorry. Okay. What did you? So shouldn't we just do 1/6 though to do the integral from?
Hmm.
Yesterday when I was taking the SAT, my calculator was really weird because like if I type X and I hit enter, it's like, sorry, I'm in the wrong calculator now.
How's you doing, SAT?
I think I did fine in the math actually. But anyways, if I hit X and I click enter, I get a value. Is that supposed to happen?
Because you stored a value before.
That's the family name of my mother's.
You can store a new value. Not to say here. If you have 5,
Great.
and you can store
I'm from
to X, and now X is equal to 5.
Ah, crazy.
So you can store any value into X.
Either drink alcohol or died from
Yeah,
drinking
that's what I'm saying.
alcohol.
Yeah.
Okay.
But if you wanna, you can always reset your calculator.
Something
Then they will have nothing set up in there.
That's not a good combo.
It's probably gonna pop up as 0 because if you have nothing set up, it's probably 0.
Well, those two things might be correlated.
Okay, did you guys find area 1 paddle?
3 pi over 4.
3 pi over 4, yeah, that's correct. Do they give you a 3 pi over 4 over there?
Yeah, just straight up.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
I can give you decimals if you want, but like I think 3 pi over 4 is better.
Can I change the range to negative pi?
Yeah.
I can type in negative here though.
No, you just press the minus button above the enter. That's how you do negative.
Are you sure? It doesn't do either.
Well, because you press escape right now, because you're in a different UI.
Okay, so
now you can press that.
negative pi over 6 and then to delete here is gonna be positive pi over 6. Okay, so I'm gonna press enter here. Wait, how come they don't graph 1 pedal? So I'm gonna try again. Tap. Wait, how come
Oh,
they
yeah,
didn't change it?
No, press up, because you're on the second one.
Yeah, so how come they didn't change it though?
I think you might have been on the second equation, not like this one.
Okay, let me try it again.
It's kind of weird when you try to go back to.
Let me
edit
go
the equation,
negative pi over 6. I'm gonna show you how to do it directly with ones. So let's just do pi over 6. I don't know if this will work. Hold on, let's try it. And if I press enter, oh, okay. See that 1 paddle? So you can actually do integration between negative pi over 6 to pi over 6 just once. So let's try it. Let's do integration.
Why specifically negative pi over 6?
Because negative pi over 6 is actually going, it starts on the other side and
Yeah.
graph the one paddle. So for negative pi over 6, you see the paddle is.
Oh, okay, so you would have to know what the graph looks like to know those bounds?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So, and how do I do calculation again? Wait, how do I want to do integration here, but I cannot.
Press, okay.
But I don't
press
see it.
Press the home button.
Top
like,
right.
Top right.
Very most top right, yeah. And
Press
then,
A, yeah, or that, yeah.
Okay, so integration,
Yeah, there you go.
and we're gonna do half in the front. So be 1 divided by 2. Between pi, negative pi, sorry. We're gonna try negative pi over 6. So let's do
No, you're
negative pi over 6 and to pi over 6. So I'm gonna go up here, pi over 6
it is super intuitive.
over 6, and
Just the formula.
I'm gonna use R1 of data. How do I do data again?
oh, because he's just.
Yeah, there.
But how do I do square? I do parentheses square.
Oh yeah, close parentheses and then squared.
And square, right?
Yeah.
And the data. So here, data, and that should give me a one paddle. So that can give you directly one paddle, but you had to do 1/2 of R square.
Well, he said you look at it graphically, you can visibly tell that it's only a third of a rotation.
Because there's 3 pedals.
Yeah, and it would
Oh,
start
yeah.
1/3 of the way through.
And so this is the proper way to look at it, is actually looking at just particularly that one paddle, that domain of one paddle, and you can integrate that just one paddle. So tomorrow we're gonna go to the second one, but today that's it. I don't want to go into deep because I want to make sure everybody knows how to use even TI-84. Do you know how to use it? You got it? Okay, so
You did
Um,
homework today?
no, I mean if I'm giving you homework, it's probably gonna be sequence and series. Tomorrow we can get into polar because tomorrow we're gonna have to graph. We have to recognize how to find the area between two polar graphs. So if you graph a pedal, so for example, tomorrow our goal is to figure out, let's find out the graph of one paddle and one circle. And I just wanted that within that one circle, those paddle area is. How do you figure out those? So it's a little bit more trickier. It's probably gonna take a couple lessons to master those skills.
Are those parametrics then?
No, this still in the polar.
Oh my god.
And that'll be out today. See you guys next time. Why is Gage and Martin in Gage and Martin? Gage and Martin?
They're watching. They just put a comment saying they were watching.
Why is Gage and Martin together?